To another upload of Its Dyer thing, and we're with Sage, and we wanted to get some nice pictures of the downtown view. As you can see right here, it's absolutely gorgeous, right? And I'll throw the picture up because we actually did go take pictures. So we went into this car park, and I said, you know what, let's be kind, let's be the nice persons, right? And we'll go up to the car attendant, right, and we'll ask, wonder if I can, if there's something here, or is this gated off as well? That's gated off too. All right, yeah, that's all gated off. And I asked, oh, mister, we're from out of town. I said, we just want to come in through and just take a picture of the bikes with the backdrop. Oh, no, sorry, that's for, he says, no, sorry, it's not allowed. It's for big picture productions. Is that what he said? And yeah, you can't do that. And I'm like, what? What do you mean we can't do that? Gotta go left here. Sorry. Watch the ground again. And I go, we're just going in to take a picture with our phone. And he's like, no, you can't. So I'm like, oh, okay, whatever. So we turn around and we go to leave, which I already knew there was kind of like a little through the exit, there was enough gap for a motorcycle to get through. So that's what we ended up here. This would be nice too, right? So, but you know what, anyways, we ended up getting the pictures that we wanted, and we're like, he's such a dick. What a dick. Okay, we're gonna go straight through. I have no idea where we're gonna go. Where do you want to go, buddy? Huh? What, you want to go up Yonge? All right, sure, okay. So anyways, so we go through, we find the spot, we get our pictures done and whatever. No, Sage is like, oh yeah, let's go back up to him and kind of show him, right? I'm like, fuck that. I don't even want to get into any argument with a guy. Clearly he's an asshole, right? So anyways, we're downtown. Sage on the MT10, I'm on the MT10, and we're going to see if we can kind of cause some trouble. No, we're not here to cause any trouble, but it was a Moto Social, the second last Moto Social. Okay, we're going to go left up here. Your battery low on your headset? Oh, shit, well that's no good. What is it? It's 9 o'clock. Shall we start heading? All right, so I guess we'll go this way and then up Yonge for a bit. See what it's like. And then get back on the DVP, kind of heading north, right? So, all right, well, let's get on over there and see what's like over there. What is this? What's this road on? Here, view map. Yep. You can hear them. These guys, the guys that are ripping up on the DVP right here, are leaving from the Moto Social. That's for sure. So this is okay. Moving over one. Rip it, rip and dip it. Distillery District up right. No, so we're going to continue to go straight, right? Ooh, it's so pretty. Anyways, as we get closer, what is this, Parliament Street? So I presume Yonge is up ahead, right? Lane split into one. Oh, more lights, and more lights. Huh? Oh, are you serious? Is that like a fentanyl, or is that somebody who got hit by a car or something? He was convulsing, right? It was kind of going ba-da, 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 and now he's not moving anymore. Really? Okay, we're gonna go right here. It looked almost like a seizure. Maybe we shouldn't be here. That's a sign of, like, you know, let's not be here. Like, it's nice and all, but huh? What other street? No, it's out here. Yeah, because that big square or whatever it is, or the Dundas Square is up here, right? Yeah, that's coming up here. So, wow, like everywhere you go is construction, man. It's just absolutely freaking nuts. So, it's been a long time since I came downtown. It was like a long time ago was when I did a video with you guys. No, thank you. What's so nice about this, right? Yeah. Sketchy. Too much is happening at the same time, right? It's all over the place, right? And yeah, so we're gonna follow my red route. Here? Oh, I'm sure there's tons of that's the best way to get around here would be scooter and bikes, right? So I was gonna say, where's the Eden Center? It's got to be coming up somewhere, isn't it? That's up there. I'm just kind of like, what kind of life is a city life? I don't know. You don't like it? No. You don't even want vehicles here, right? Moving over. Yeah. Where are, I don't even know. Downtown. Oh, there's the Eden Center. So yeah, it's all changed. No, this is the Yonge side. What? On the opposite? Or the other? Over there? Oh. Yeah. Alright, this is green for us, right? Yeah, it's good enough. And there's also, this is also part of the Eden Center. Everything is so changed. I don't know where I'm going. This is the Dundas Square. Aren't they? Did they want to change the name or something like that because they? Wow, what the fuck is going on here? Can we go sneak up through? No, we can't sneak up through. Huh? Keep here. All right. There used to be a bar here that all the bikers, the Harley guys used to go to, right? Oh, here, yeah. What? All right. What the hell, like playing that kind of music? All right. It's crazy. Wow, like it's like we're in a different world here. Like, what the hell, man? Oh, dead pixel. Up there. Dead pixel. No good. Oh. The girl there, she's just won the Canadian stone whatever shuttle thing, whatever, where she was standing just before. There, look. Right, it was perfect. So yeah, what is it, stone throwing or whatever it is. So that's the only golds that we got, eh? Is stone throwing. The guy got the stone throwing, and this girl. So oh, Shake Shack. Isn't that where we had burgers from there? No. Oh, I thought we did burger somewhere. Oh. No, with your mother and Bailey when we came down once. Yeah, you got to come down by metro or whatever, and then just walk it. Yeah. Dude guy? Alright. Alright. Well, do as you're told then. Oh my god, my poor engine. It's so hot. My fan has been going non-stop, man. So I'm 101. I kind of varies between 106 and 101. How did it sound this morning with the colder temperatures and all that? Was it noisy or? Alright, is it our turn? Yeah. Alright, he's letting these guys through. He's letting us through. Thank you. Alright. Crazy. What, the e-bikers? Oh. Whew. Yeah. Yeah, they're all over the fucking place, right? They sneaky. Alright, well there, that's Yonge. So we're going to try and continue on and get to the little sections here so we can kind of start heading back down, jump on the DVP and then head up back on the DVP. But for the most part, that's Toronto for you, man, on a hot, clear, been there, done that, right? So definitely yeah, bicycles and scooters are definitely the way to get around here, not cars and motorcycles. It's just not worth it. So but anyways, let's keep on trekking. So we're now kind of back on track of the route that I kind of created a long time ago through Gaia Maps, and I sent it over to my GPS, but I've never done it. But anyways, yeah, so this is taking us down through the seedy back roads of downtown Toronto. Don't stop no matter what, right? Narrow lanes. I don't know where this goes, and it's dark AF. Like, there's street lights, but they're not on. All right, these ones are. So this is going to kind of take us back close to the DVP up here, and then we got to kind of trail back up on Bayview, which then loops us back onto the DVP to get us back heading home, right? So, oop, what was that? That was a Yami, wasn't it? R6 or something? Yeah. So, but there's like highways and stuff up on top of us here now. Look. There's roads and buildings and everything, and this is kind of like in a valley, right? It's too bad it's dark, you can't see, but you know what? It beats sitting at a traffic light, that's for sure. Right? You okay? You're not too cold? So it's 21 degrees now. I mean, we've been spoiled. We're in the high 30s, but now it's definitely starting to drop. Oh, but I still got swamp ass and sticky dicky. Oh. Huh? Yeah. Alright. So at Bayview, we gotta hook a left and start heading north a bit. So. Oh, sticky. Yeah, and then once we get that way, I think it's gonna loop us over the DVP and loop us back up, and then we can kind of start heading north. So, but I'm taking you somewhere. There's the DVP, so now we just got to find a way to get our ass on the DVP. Go left up here, and this should take us onto the DVP. What an adventure! Super exciting, getting lost everywhere, having fun downtown. Oh yeah, we got some squiggly lines to get through before we can get on the DVP, actually. I don't know how I ended up just sitting down and saying, here, let's make a route. It was from Kennedy Commons all the way downtown, then all the way back up through, back to Kennedy Commons, right? So I said, let me find some roads that I can kind of connect that have some twisty turns, right? Not that you can do anything really with them. But yeah, that's what it is. Anyways, if you guys want to know the route and you're living in the Toronto region, I have no problem. I can share the GPX file to you guys. and then you can kind of enjoy it and have fun as well. Again, it, like I said, does Kennedy, goes downtown and back up through. So you know what, if you follow the routes, it will take you where you need to go. We got to go right this way. Everybody's going left. Okay, yeah, we're going right. So just let these people walk through anyways, right? So I have no idea why it, yeah, whatever. You know what? It's okay. It's got some turns. Something that you've never done before, I don't think, right? Yeah, we don't know what area is safe and what's not, right? So now Eglinton Avenue East, keep right, but we're not. We're gonna go Eglinton Avenue West to jump us back onto the DVP. All right, yeah, there you go. That was fun. Oh well, anyways, there you go. We're like literally just 2 seconds to the DVP, but that's going to be like DVP from Eglinton north, where it's absolutely nothing. It's just there, jumps us onto the highway. But there you have it, Mr. Sage, and I do not know. I got to go left up here. Yeah, left, and then this should jump us on the DVP north. So there you have it, Mr. Sage and his MT and myself signing out. Thank you very much for tagging along with us, and you all be so good, you all be good, be safe, have fun, and don't forget, most importantly, keep it covered. You know where that came from, right? Originally? No? Alright. That'll be a different story for another day. Why do I say keep it covered? Let's go home. Oh wow, I took off on 3rd gear. it kind of, right? It kind of went, no problem. Okay, we got a hook here, Don Valley North. And there we go. Watch, you never know. The popos like to hide up here, don't they? Yeah, they like to hide here, right here. There we go. Now we're safe. Now we know where we're going.